non-stick kadai, we'll heat 1 cup of water.
After that, we'll add suji into it. We'll mix it and we'll cook it on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes.
We do not want to overcook the suji, so we have switched off the flame and now we'll cool it down a bit.
In another bowl, I have mashed both the potatoes, into which we'll add our suji. Here goes freshly chopped coriander leaves. Then add salt and add oil in it. Now we need to mix everything nicely. We need to prepare dough for our fingers, and then you can start to make the fingers. With a gentle and a light hand, we'll roll out these fingers. And likewise, we'll prepare all other fingers. Here is my first batch of potato suji fingers ready. You can either deep fry these fingers, which is the usual method, but we'll be air frying these fingers in my air fryer. So I have already preheated my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then we'll place all these fingers into the air fryer basket. Here goes all my fingers into the air fryer basket. We'll be air frying these at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we have further air fried for 4 more minutes. So in total of 14 minutes. And just have a look at these. Let us now serve it. Our crispy potato suji fingers are ready. Have a closer look at this piece. Nicely done from all the sides. And these fingers are crispy too. A quick, simple and a healthy snack recipe. We are using these small potatoes, however you can also use big size potatoes. Now what we need to do is we need to slit the potato in such a way that we do not slit it through and through. In this manner we will carefully cut all the pieces of potatoes. Do not cut it through and through. Just put slits like this. In a bowl, we'll mix all the ingredients. This is melted butter. Into this, we'll add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Into this, we'll add half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. And we'll also add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you do not like the tangy flavor of lemon, then you can avoid adding it. Just mix everything well. After that, we need to brush all these sliced potatoes with our prepared mixture. So we'll just brush it like this. That's about it. Now we'll transfer these potatoes in a baking dish. I'll be baking these potatoes in my air fryer. So if you're using an oven to bake these, then you can directly place this sheet on the baking tray. Keep little space in between the potatoes.
After that, we'll sprinkle generous amount of salt on it. Along with it, we'll also add black pepper. Here it goes.
We'll be baking our sliced potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes first. After 8 minutes, then we'll give another layer of our oil mixture on top of the potatoes, and then we'll bake it further till these becomes crispy. If you are baking these sliced potatoes in an oven, then you need to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 8 minutes. Now we'll brush all the potatoes again with the oil mixture. This coating will make our sliced potatoes even more crisper from outside. And it's done. We'll place it back in the air fryer. We'll continue to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 more minutes.
In total, I have baked these potatoes for 20 minutes to get this nice crispy golden look. These are looking so wonderful. So let's quickly serve it. This is one of the simplest recipe which you can prepare using potatoes. Sliced potatoes look very cute. Just look at these. So these are very flavorful potatoes. You can simply serve this as a side dish. I'm sure you will really love the flavor of these sliced potatoes. So do give it a try.
Firstly, we need to cut potato veggies. You can either remove the peel of the potatoes, but I will not remove the peels because peels are always very healthy. So wash the potato nicely and then we will cut potato veggies. Transfer the potato veggies in a bowl. And likewise, we'll cut all other potatoes. To prepare our marinade, in a bowl, we have added oil. Then to this, add chopped garlic. Then add salt as per your taste, black pepper. And for the color, I am adding red chili powder. This is the colored red chili powder. We need to mix everything nicely. We simply need to coat all our potato veggies. So just look at this. A simple marinade for our flavored potato veggies. Here you can see I have placed all the potato veggies into my air fryer basket. Let's air fry these. And now we'll air fry our potato veggies at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I have again air fried my potato veggies for another 15 minutes so that these are crisp from both the sides. Now it's been 30 minutes and just have a look at these nicely done potato veggies. My garlic potato veggies are ready to serve. Let me sprinkle oregano on top of it. That's about it. This is a perfect snack recipe. You can prepare it for your kitties, even for your kids.
To begin with, we have to wash shredded potatoes in clean water 2 to 3 times. Thereafter, we will soak it in ice cold water. We will be soaking in the ice cold water for at least 15 to 20 minutes to remove the extra starch from the potatoes. After 15 to 20 minutes, sieve the extra amount of water from the shredded potatoes, and thereafter we will transfer the shredded potatoes onto a muslin cloth like this. You can even first squeeze the extra water using your hand and then you can transfer it on a muslin cloth. Now the important part is that we have to remove the extra water which is there in the shredded potatoes. So squeeze the muslin cloth like this. You have to do it really tightly. Do it at least 2 to 3 times. In the next step, we have to heat butter in a non-stick pan over a medium heat. Into this, we'll add shredded potatoes. We want to actually remove the rawness of the shredded potatoes. So keep on stirring the potatoes in between in this manner. After cooling, transfer the shredded potatoes in a big bowl like this. And into this, we'll be adding all the flours and seasoning. Here goes my refined flour or maida, rice flour, and all the seasonings like salt, ginger powder, black pepper, paprika or red chili powder. And then we'll have to mix everything together. We need a nice dough of this mixture. My dough is ready now. We'll spread it on a butter paper or you can even spread it on a polythene sheet like this. I have greased the sheet and then you can spread this mixture in any desired shape. Now you have to keep this mixture in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes till it becomes firm. Give a coating of oil on top and sides of the hash brown mixture because you must have guessed it by now that we'll not be deep frying the hash browns. Rather, we'll be air frying it. Further, you can cut the hash brown in any of the desired shape. You can even use cutters, but I am directly cutting the hash browns using my knife. Let's have a closer look at one of the hash brown pieces. I've already placed my hash brown pieces into my air fryer basket, and now we'll air fry these hash browns at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Here is our wonderful looking lovely hash browns ready. Let's have a closer look at it. Nice golden crispy hash browns which are evenly done from all the sides in air fryer. Isn't it a healthy way to prepare hash browns?